In this video we're going to look at how you can add radio and checkboxes to your subscribe form. So to do that, let's head over to the content menu. We see we've got two options here, a radio box or a checkbox. A radio box is very similar to a checkbox, but you can only select one of the options. For example, you may be asking the person's age, where they're only going to select one age bracket. A checkbox, on the contrary, is where you can select multiple options, so you could ask for their favourite colour, and they could select red and blue. In this scenario, let's add a radio box. We can click it and drag it on our desired location. Okay, we can see we've added it here. If we mouse over and click on the edit button, we can customise it. So let's ask a question. So, are you an existing customer? We can customise the options here. Let's delete the final one, and the first one could be yes. And the next one, no. We can specify the map to here. So this is which mailing list column inside your mailing list this data will be stored in. So perhaps we can store it in the ref field. The fourth field over here sets whether this field is compulsory or not. If we select no, the form can be submitted without completing it. If we select yes, you can't submit this form without completing this information. At the moment, this is showing in the centre. If we click on Style, we can change the alignment. Let's choose Left Align. We can then bump up the margin a little bit to push it in. Let's increase the horizontal aligning so it starts in line with our email address field. Okay, that looks perfect. When you're ready, hit Save and Close.